Today, I did something a little special. I did this recipe I found on TikTok. It's this it's Cheetos cheese sticks. Cheeto cheese sticks. If that's even a word, so. I cooked them. I followed the recipe as much as I could. Well, technically, you could put like Takis on it, so like it depended. Supposedly, it was supposed to be like a hot Cheetos or Takis, but I didn't put the hot Cheetos or the Takis. I just did regular I guess the Cheeto puff. So we're gonna taste it right now. Um, wait, I want to peel it. Wait, there you see the cheese? That's the cheese. I think it looks like chicken, but it's the cheese. Oh, and also that wait, kind of cheesy. Ah, Jesus Christ. Um, Now to know if this thing is really good, um, let's bring out the salt test. So, if something doesn't taste right with salt, then it's bad. Unless it's like something like cakes or cookies or donuts. So, pouring. I poured the salt in. Now let's taste it. Um, it's actually pretty good. I mean, maybe it's not like the best because it's not the most of the recipe. It's more of like, it's more of its own thing actually. Because the one it was like, so I guess this was like, would be like the not hot, not spicy version, if you will. I might upload that video of the recipe on my YouTube channel. So, yeah, bye guys. I'll just go ahead and eat this like a sad old man.